Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the things I got from Pakscosmetics. I just want to unbox some stuff I got there with you guys. So before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell beside it. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So if you want to know what I got from Pakscosmetics, then keep on watching. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
This is a Mazuri lines. I think they have 3 different lines for kids and another one, and then this one is like for natural hair. So this is shampoo, and the next thing I got in the Mazuri line is leave-in moisturizer, and the another thing I got is the detangling spray. It is still in the same line. Another thing I got is the conditioner. So another thing I got is the Call Awaken Custard Styling Pudding. It looks like this. And another thing I got is a co-wash conditioning cleanser. Like if you don't want to like use shampoo all the time and all that, then just quickly use this one. Looks like this. And another thing I got still in the same line is Call Bouncing Jelly Styling Paste. And it looks like this. They have like 7 stuff in there. So another thing I got is this castor oil. Yeah, I saw this brand. I'm like, it looks really nice. The product name is Milo. This is black castor oil, extra dark. Yeah, looks good. Another thing I got still in the same line is this black castor oil age freeze control hair gel. So I'm going to put the prices up there for you guys. So the next thing I got is this 100% India hemp hair and scalp treatments. So another thing I got is a Jamaican black castor oil infused with coconut, and it says conditioning braid spray. Okay, replenishes and shine, soothes itching and dryness, hydrates and conditions. Think like after braiding or something. Just so it looks like this. So the next thing I got is This eco styling gel. So the next thing I got is shower cap. This shoulder is looks. It's not bad. And I got another heat process shower cap, heat retain material. So it looks like this. I think this one looks like the first one. It looks like this. And this one, oh, this one is actually slip curve, like it's too big. You can, even if you have big braids, everything can just fit at once. So nice. The next thing I got is black castor oil locking firm wax. Looks like this. Okay. Looks like this. I'm just going to see how this smells so nice. Smells like coconut or something. So moving on, the last but not the least is this Vaseline. I just use this for my kids and it makes their skin so beautiful, so, and I love it. Ever since I tried it, I've never looked back in buying them. I saw it on their website. I'm like, I need to get it. So I got this one, and I think they have 5 different types or something, but I got 3. So this is infused with shea butter. Infused with shea butter, and this one is lavender, and this one is baby powder scent. Yeah. So that's basically all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to put their prices up there just if you want to buy. And Pakscosmetics is like a wholesale stuff that is in London, you know. So even before I joined YouTube, I've been like ordering there once in a while. I do order there as well. They sell creams, hair products, like, you know, mention it. So it's really a big wholesale shop, and yeah, I ordered there. Like, before you order, you need to have an account with them, so it can, like, you register and all that. So when you're buying, they have your billing address and all that, so they know that you're a genuine you know, person. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's not boring. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace.